Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome everyone, and welcome Nexo. This is a speaking class to practice speaking in English.
Hi, Emma. I am ready to speak and practice.
Great. Today we will practice what you learned before, everyday objects and what questions, with 3 exercises. First, shadowing helps you listen and repeat with clear pronunciation. Next, read aloud helps you read a short text with good rhythm. Finally, describe the picture helps you speak about what you see.
That sounds useful and simple.
Yes, keep it simple and speak with confidence. Let's start with shadowing. Shadowing. In shadowing, listen and repeat after each phrase.
Okay, I will repeat clearly.
What is this? It is a book. What is on the table? A pen is on the table. What are these? They are 2 keys. What do you have? I have a notebook. What does she need? She needs a pencil. The phone is in my bag. The cup is on the table. Open the door, please. Look at the window. The clock is on the wall. What color is the bag? My wallet is here. The chair is near the table. Read aloud. Nice work with shadowing. Now, for read aloud, Nexo will read the text first, and then you should pause the video and read it aloud calmly.
I am ready to read. Every morning, I put my notebook, pen, and phone on the table. My bag is on the chair, and my key is in my wallet. I look at the clock and ask, "What time is it?" Then I take my cup, open the door, and start my day.
Great, Nexo. You did it very well.
Thank you. The text was short and clear.
Now, it is your turn. Pause the video and read the text aloud. Describe the picture. Well done, everyone. Now, describe what you see in the picture and try to use the words shown and the grammar we studied.
I will try with short sentences.
Good. Nexo, you try first, and after you, the viewer will try.
In the picture, I see a small bedroom with a table near the window. There is a notebook, a pen, a pencil, and a phone on the table. A cup and a plate are next to the book. Under the table, there is a bag. A key and a wallet are on the chair. I can see a bed, a lamp, a door, and a clock. What is on the chair? A key and a wallet.
Now it is your turn. Pause the video and describe the picture your way using the words shown.
Can I keep my description simple?
Yes, do not make it complicated. Use short and simple sentences. For example, book. The book is on the table. Window. The window is open. Now you pause and speak, and little by little, you will do it better.